Welcome. Today we have Realme 8 the phone shows only charging logo blinking and nothing more happen. The current of the charger is about 200 milliamps. That means we have shorted on the motherboard. So what we first have to do, remove the motherboard and remove this metal cover, and we will check if there is any capacitor shorted. Now, as you can see, I remove this capacitor which was there and it was shorted. Now let's check what happened if we connect it. Now the current is about 400 milliamps. And 1 amps, that 800 milliamps, so charging work fine and phone turn on. So repair is done. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and till the next time.